catch your vibe, come catch your vibe.
Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video and I have this gorgeous one from Ywigs. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. And if I can find a discount code, I will leave that below as well. But as you guys can see, this is something a little bit different. I decided to pick up a full braided lace wig. Y'all, I always want to get my hair braided, but the way that my migraines are set up, I can't commit to them. So this is like the perfect style for someone like myself. Now, if you guys want to save money from going to the salons, you can definitely be able to wear this wig for years, okay? Usually when I get my hair braided, well, I haven't in years, but when I did get my hair braided, I would leave the braids in for like no more than 3 months. But this unit here is going to last you for years. So some details about this wig. I did pick up this gorgeous Bohemian braided full lace wig. My wig is 22 inches long. It's in that gorgeous T1B4, which is like an ombre brown color. It does have high definition lace, baby hairs, and it appears to have bleached knots. Looks like it does. This wig is 100% human hair. It's hand braided, knotless boho box braids, and you can definitely install this and take it off at the end of the night to preserve this wig for years. So right now I'm just removing the lace. I just do this with a sharp pair of shears, cutting along the hairline, making sure that you don't cut off the baby hairs, and this is what it looks like. You do have the high definition lace. However, I do like to use like a lace tint spray. I ran out, so I'm using this makeup spray for your legs, and I'm spraying that all over the lace, and then I'm blow drying it. I got a little bit of the makeup on the baby hairs, so take an alcohol wipe that off. You'll be good to go. This is what it looks like now. It's a nice blendable color. Y'all get into these curls. Again, this wig is a full lace wig, 100% human hair. It is hand braided, knotless box braids. So it's the same braids that you get when you go to the salon. They look super realistic. Y'all look how flat it's sitting. But I'm going in using my Ebin lace glue, and I'm just spraying that all over the perimeter of the unit, making sure that I don't get it in my natural hair or on the baby hairs. Then I'm using a edge band just to hold everything down. So after the bonding spray dried, I'm going to go ahead and remove the edge bands, and we're going to work on these baby hairs. Firstly, I'm going to cut them down just a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little gel and then get those laid. Alright y'all, now this is what this wig is looking like. And yes y'all, I did say wig. I know this literally looks like I got my hair braided down, but I promise you guys this is a full lace wig. Now you can definitely wear this wig going straight back. You can make a middle part, you can throw it to the side, put it up in a bun, a ponytail, put it in a scarf. There is like literally endless possibilities with this unit. I will give you guys a few different styling options, but before, I just want to let you guys see exactly what this wig looks like from all angles and kind of give you guys just the overall look of this wig. Y'all, I am absolutely in love with not just the color, but I love these curls. Y'all, look at this wig from the back. You're standing behind me, you're literally not going to think that I have a wig on. You're just going to assume that my hair is braided. You can like literally see each part with each braid. It literally looks like it could be braided down. So if you guys want a very realistic looking braided wig, this is it right here. Y'all can't tell me this doesn't look like my actual scalp. Okay, and this color is absolutely stunning, especially if you are melanated like myself. This color is definitely gonna pop. It's perfect for transitioning from summer into fall. Y'all, I'm probably gonna even be wearing it this winter. But again, I'm gonna give you guys a few different styling options. I mean, once again, there's endless possibilities with this wig. I'm just kind of giving you guys a few ways on how I've been wearing it. Now here is the first look. And of course I have to throw this one up in a half up, half down. Here is the next style. And then I'm going to do just a half up, half down, little messy bun with the curls kind of poking through. Y'all definitely let me know which style you prefer the most. Once again, you guys do check out Ywigs. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. And if I can find a discount code, be sure to check the info box below because I'll have it listed there. And you guys, if you're interested in this one, do keep in mind that Ywigs, they do accept sizzle and zip and afterpay, so therefore you can break up your payments into installments. But y'all definitely check out this unit. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Have a blessed one. Bye.